Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to enhance your Facebook posts with a crucial feature, adding your location. This simple yet powerful tool can help you connect with local audiences, share your experiences, and give your content a personal touch. Let's dive into the steps to make the most out of this feature. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see your newsfeed. To start creating a new post, tap on the What's on Your Mind box at the top of your screen. This is where you can write your thoughts, share photos, or even record a video. Now, let's focus on adding your location. Below the text box, you'll find several options, including the Check-in feature. It might appear as a small map pin icon, so keep an eye out for that. Tap on this icon to start searching for your location. You can type the name of the place you're at, or if you have location services enabled, Facebook might suggest nearby spots. Once you've selected your location, it will be added to your post. You can now complete your post by adding any additional details or photos you want to share. When you're ready, tap the Post button in the top right corner to share your update with your friends and followers. Adding your location to a Facebook post is not only useful for personal updates, but also for businesses. It helps increase visibility and allows customers to check in and share your business with others. Whether you're sharing a recent trip, an event, or just want to let everyone know where you are, this feature makes it easy to connect with your audience. By following these simple steps, you can make your Facebook posts more engaging and informative. Remember, adding a location can give your content that extra bit of context that makes it stand out. So go ahead and give it a try. With just a few taps, you can share your whereabouts and connect with others in a more meaningful way. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.